Oh yeah, baby. I got the fidget spinner. I told you guys I got it. Welcome to the vlog, guys. We are just getting started here today. It is not a really nice video. It's not a very nice day outside. You can see it rained. I'm not sure if you can actually see that it rained because it kind of dried up. You can see a puddle over there. So I normally film outside or in the basement or upstairs in my room, but then kind of those days are over. I mean, I'll still film outside, but I'm gonna try to film more in the kitchen. Now it is 7:41 p.m. It's a beautiful. Right now it's a beautiful day, but earlier it was just so nasty with all the rain and all that. But you know, now it's a beautiful day. I mean, if I open here, it's pretty nice out. I can't go out anyway. So Jake's here today. Yeah, Jake's here, Nick's not here. Nick, I don't know where Nick went. I think he went to Kroger with my mom or my dad. I'm not sure which one. I think my mom might be upstairs right now. I don't know. But guys, I mean, I haven't made this kind of vlog in I don't even know how long. I made the Who in the 2017 Stanley Cup video. And I think it was the video before that, because I haven't made a video like this, a vlog type of video like this in a while. I mean, I'm telling you guys I might be quitting YouTube. I'm not quitting YouTube. Now I'm more, it's a 95% chance that I am not going to quit YouTube, but the chances are of me quitting YouTube are 5%, but that might still happen. Because, I don't know, but it just might still happen, guys. I mean, you never know. It might happen. I might quit, but it might not be right now because I've already made 38 vlogs. I mean, that's a lot of videos. Even the Myers hasn't even made that much videos. Sorry if it's getting too close. I mean, even the Myers haven't made that much videos. And they're like, well, they're new to YouTube, so wouldn't really be surprised if they haven't made those videos quite yet. If you see me like looking up, right now I'm looking up Lemire because I can see how I'm looking. But now I'm looking at you guys because I'm more focused on you guys. I'm even more focused on you guys than I'm focused on Jake. Jake is like, he's an amazing dog. But you know, he's still, like, Jacob, you're an amazing dog. Sure, he can't catch a frisbee, but he can play fetch, he can do all those things. He likes to roll over like that. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe to me. Give me all the love that I deserve. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. And Jake's like, yeah, he's tired after this video. And me and Jake will see you in my next vlog. See ya!